In this video, I will show you 50 times saving keyboard shortcuts in Excel for Mac. So you can see this category: frequently used shortcut, navigate shortcut, format cells, and Mac selections. And this is the sheet from Microsoft Office official. You will get this 50 times saving keyboard shortcut. Once you click on File, New, so here just write 50, press Enter. So you will get this template, and here you can see this all keyboard shortcut. Make sure it's for Mac. Like to close a spreadsheet, Command plus Window, save a spreadsheet, copy paste cut. So you can copy and use, and you can learn and you can practice to be advanced user for Excel. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.